Dictation of exercise number 219. Instructor start. We are all sellers and buyers, full stop. Person or layman, comma, prince or peasant, comma, we are all either providers or consumers of things, full stop. We proffer services or offer goods to others, and if we are keen, we prosecute a person who illegally tries to prevent us from carrying on our legitimate business, full stop. We live by exchanging, comma, by bargaining, semicolon, and for our own sakes it behoves us to acquire some skill in the operation or making of bargains, full stop. This is true whether we are exporters or importers, comma, manufacturers or merely dealers, full stop. In any event, comma, we sell our services and so buy money, full stop. This money we change into those things we desire most and which are provided by others, into the necessaries and comforts of existence, comma, a beautiful house, comma, an extensive library of permanent value, comma, or whatever we may prefer to add to our reasonable enjoyment of life, full stop. In agriculture itself, comma, people are ceasing to produce the things they consume, semicolon. The farmer sells his milk and cream and buys butter, comma, or contents himself with the substitute that tropical Africa has lately added to our tables, semicolon. He sells his cattle and buys beef of the butcher who carves an ox fed on the pampas of South America, semicolon. He no longer makes even his own flour, full stop. The essential, comma, all pervading fact of our economic life is exchange, full stop. Apart from agriculture, comma, we should be unable to produce sufficient to sustain the simplest life, comma, and we should perish, full stop. By means of exchange and the cooperation it brings about, comma, we are enabled to produce enough to satisfy a very complex life, full stop. We go to the market with our goods, comma, perishable or imperishable, full stop. Our goods may not be embodied in commodities that can be weighed or measured, semicolon. They may be, comma, and usually are, comma, merely proffered services, full stop. But whether we offer our services for the permanent or temporary accommodation of others, or whether we have visible and tangible commodities, pairs of boots, comma, or pounds of bacon, comma, or attractive ties, comma, or succulent fruits, makes no difference, full stop. It is our supply, comma, and this is the course to pursue if we would be a seller of what we have, full stop. In our minds we attach a minimum price to it, comma, what the auctioneer calls a reserve price, full stop. Unless we get that price we shall withdraw from the market, comma, and no briber can bribe us to sell at a figure below that price, full stop and close.